Hey everyone, it's another beautiful day here in Sonoma County. I'm Lauren Thompson with Corcoran Icon Properties. Welcome to 380 Pacific Heights Drive in Santa Rosa. This is a newer build. It's located in the highly coveted Mark West Estates neighborhood. It has a primary suite on the main level, a beautiful, luxurious, open concept layout with high ceilings, cellar page solar, and amazing indoor and outdoor living spaces. Let's go have a look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this home or anything else real estate related, please reach out.